Hi guys, welcome to another episode on your favorite channel, Electro Schematics. In the last class we were talking about the CUK converter, but today we want to take it a little step forward and we want to talk about the flyback converter. Now this flyback converter is a little bit difficult than what we used to talk about before. That's why if you see my video, I took it a very slowly and step by step. Now let's dive into it. A flyback converter is a type of a power electronic converter that uses a transformer to transfer energy between the input and output circuits. The transformer is designed with a single primary winding and a secondary winding that is connected in a flyback configuration, meaning the secondary winding is not connected directly to the input source, but instead flies back to the input source through a diode after each switching cycle. The flyback converter operates by switching a transistor on and off at high frequency, which applies the input voltage to the primary winding of the transformer. This causes a magnetic field to build up in the transformer coil. When the transistor is off, the magnetic field collapses, which induces a voltage in the secondary winding of the transformer. The diode that is connected to the secondary winding allows the current to flow through the load but prevents it from flowing back to the primary winding. Take note that the diode that is connected to the secondary winding allows current to flow through the load but prevents it from flowing back to the primary winding. The flyback converter has several advantages over other topologies, such as the boost, the buck, and the boost buck. One of them is that the transformer can be used to isolate the input and the output circuits, which can be useful in application where the input and output voltage are different potentials. Additionally, the flyback converter can be used to generate multiple output voltages by using multiple secondary windings on the transformer. Now in this circuit we have some disadvantages too, because as I'm trying to make this video, I'll make it very comprehensive for you to understand that there are some disadvantages of the flyback converter. And one of the main disadvantages is that the transformer can induce significant leakage inductance, like the transformer can leak, which can cause high frequency voltage transient and increases power loss. Now look at this. Now this is switched in a very high frequency, and if it leaks, it's a big power loss, because frequency and power, you can understand what I'm saying now. So now overall, the flyback converter is a widely used and versatile power electronic converter which is used in any application such as the power supply, the battery chargers, the DC to DV converters, and many others. Thank you very much for staying tuned and watching our channel. We look forward to see you next time. Bye bye.